Well, joining me tonight are Neeraj Grover's parents who watched the verdict from Kanpur. They didn't travel to Mumbai today for the verdict. I'm also joined by Majid Memon, prominent criminal lawyer, and Shobha Day, author and columnist. Amarnath Grover ji, Neelam Grover ji, आज आप क्या कहेंगे? What would you like to say after this verdict?
हम लोग इसी दिन का इंतजार कर रहे थे, पर डिसीजन सुन के बहुत डिसअपॉइंटमेंट हुआ। कभी भी ये एक्सपेक्टेशन नहीं था कि ये सब होने के बाद भी जो कॉन्स्पिरेटर है एंजॉय करेगा, कल फ्री हो जाएगी।
आज
जो रियल कॉन्स्पिरेटर है
जी
वो तो मारिया है। अब ये सारा इंटरप्रिटेशन का खेल है, आप उसको कैसे भी सुन पढ़ देख लें, मगर सच्चाई है कि वो कॉन्स्पिरेटर है।
जी, आज आप क्यों नहीं मुंबई गए थे? क्या आप सोचते थे कि शायद वर्डिक्ट ऐसे एडवर्स होगा? आज आप मुंबई क्यों नहीं गए?
हम लोग को जुडिशरी पे पूरा विश्वास है
जी।
जो चीज हुई है उसी हिसाब से डिसीजन आएगा। ये तो एक्सपेक्टेशन के बाद वी ऑनर डिसीजन बट वी डोंट एग्री टू दैट, और हम इससे हैप्पी नहीं है।
What do you have to say, sir, about prosecution? जो prosecution का केस था, क्या आप चाहेंगे कि ये डिसीजन रिव्यू होगा? क्या आप प्रोसिक्यूशन से पूछेंगे? क्योंकि ये बात है, जो विक्टिम का फैमिली है उनका रोल तो बहुत ही कम है, आप बस स्टेट पे रिलाई कर रहे हैं। तो आज आप क्या पूछेंगे? आपको क्या आशा है अभी प्रोसिक्यूशन से?
देखिए, ये तो उनके सुपीरियर्स की ड्यूटी बनती है। हम लोग फाइनेंशियली इतने कैपेबल नहीं हैं, और जो इनके सुपीरियर्स हैं उनको मूव करना चाहिए। हर लेवल पे जो सच्चाई है वो तो बाहर आनी चाहिए
जी।
और ये जैसा इन्होंने डिसीजन दिया है वो सच्चाई से दूर है।
Let me just bring in Majid Memon, a prominent criminal lawyer. Mr. Memon, you've been following this case as well. There are a few cases. As I said, it's rare that we would have a story of crime so high up on the news, but there are a few cases that have captured the nation's attention, who have shocked the nation really, and this was one of those. What do you think today about the verdict?
Sonia, let me confess, with respect, I am entirely in disagreement with the learned judge's findings. And now when we are discussing about review, there is no question of review now. There is no provision in law that it could be reviewed now. Once the learned judge has already pronounced the verdict, his findings, only sentence is to be pronounced tomorrow, which is of course within the binds of the law. Now, I don't agree with the finding of the learned judge with respect on both the counts, namely Jerome not guilty of murder and only guilty of culpable homicide. Now there he says that he is entitled to be the recipient of grave and sudden provocation. I am sorry to say that this case would not fall within the category of grave and sudden provocation for this reason, that an offender commits an offense of murder under grave and sudden provocation. The law assumes that his reason is eclipsed provisionally for some time when he commits the offense.
Yes.
And then his conduct should be of remorse and regret.
Yes.
But what happens in this case? In this case, even if there was a grave provocation or sudden provocation, thereafter there is such an inhuman act attributed to him. He has killed Neeraj, has been established in the circumstances, as we all know. Now the learned judge errs, in my humble view, in giving him the benefit of culpable homicide not amounting to murder. It's a grave and sudden provocation. There is no conspiracy. Absolutely, with respect, wrong and erroneous approach. Now it can only go in appeal to the High Court. Now vis-a-vis Maria, I must tell you that she has been held guilty only for destruction of evidence. She has been let off with regard to murder. In my humble view, there again the learned judge has erred, because she is a participant and accomplice in the crime in as much as she procures a sharp weapon with which the deceased body is cut into 300 pieces and then it is destroyed, etc., etc. So this is her role even in murder.
NDTV's cricket app, Android and iPhone. Fastest scorecard, special analysis, and much more. Download free. ndtv.com/apps.